about to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking.
I'm so sorry. You see, the thing is, when I see a camera, I do not know how to behave. All right, I get way too bloody excited. We gonna do this. We gonna do this. We gonna do.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can miss.
Hi there, gorgeous people. Welcome to a new video. My name is Ayodeji, for the ones who haven't met. Mwah, mwah. Nice to meet you. You can also call me Senior Minister of Enjoyment. What's good? Let's get this. I'm hoping this video is going to be short. I am like super excited, super over the moon. I have like adrenaline coursing through me because I have a new toy. Yes, I have a new toy, people. I'm so frigging excited. Like, if you enjoyed this video, let me know, and let me know what you enjoy. Please subscribe because I love you. All right, mwah. I'll see you in the next one. So you may be asking, what is this new toy? I'll show you. Do you see that? Oh God, this is so exciting, guys. Sorry, I need to hug it for a bit. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm so excited, guys. This is my first drone, and after tons and tons of research, because you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars for something you will not like or something you will not use. So after months of going back and forth, I finally decided on going for the Mavic Mini, and I picked up the Fly More combo because it comes with extra batteries and a few other things that you will see inside. So how about we get to the unboxing? Yes. I'm actually so sorry, dude. Like, when you buy a new thing, like, come on, it's not just me, okay? All right, let us start. I wish I could get like speakers to get some like ASMR. So the reviews for this have been like really amazing. When I first wanted to buy a drone like a year ago, I couldn't find something for less than $1,000 that had like a flight time of half an hour for a full charge. Like, all the ones I saw, like the Pros and the Airs, were like $900, $1,000, which I'm not spending on a drone, not just yet. Like, maybe after I get a new camera, then we can think of like a professional drone. But this, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the case. It's so neat and it feels really nice. So the brand is this is a nice very portable case. The brand is DJI. That's the zip there. But do you see that? Like, where's my phone? Just so I show you the size of this thing. All right, this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Do you see that? Oh my God, the size is blowing my mind, people. To be honest, I've never been like a techie person, and I'm actually quite surprised at this new turn of events. But you know, things change, people change. Wow, there's so much in here, and everything is sealed, which is so cool. This is the propeller guard. I feel like it's self-explanatory, right? to guard the propellers. Yeah, especially for like beginner flyers like me. Oh my god, I'm gonna feel like a friggin' pilot, my own drone. The manuals, cables, more cables. I believe this should be the batteries. So this Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. I can get an hour and a half of flight time. Thank you, DJI. Then we've got the controls. Here we have more propellers, charger for the battery, and I believe that is everything. I'm gonna take this out for a spin, record, let's see how we feel. If you're thinking of getting a drone, we'll see how it actually flies, the colors, flight time. I obviously have to charge the batteries. With the research I've done, for beginners, highly recommended, especially this Fly More combo. Let's do this. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how excited you are about my first drone, okay?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.